Welcome to Third Wave Business Systems Advanced Productivity Pack Advanced Document Delivery Functionality Overview. My name is Dennis Tucker. I'm the Development Manager at Third Wave, and today I'll be showing you how to take advantage of APP's robust features to create document delivery scenarios in SAP Business One that the standard SAP document printing screen simply cannot handle. Everyone's information and document needs are different. If you have information stored in user-defined tables or fields, if you want to deliver information off any SAP add-on screen developed in the UI, or new screens in the next SAP version, if you have any document delivery needs that fall outside of the standard SAP delivery box, then the APP Advanced Document Delivery feature is exactly what you need. APP handles these scenarios by utilizing selection criteria in a SQL query. This flexible, powerful aspect of the Advanced Productivity Pack allows for the delivery of almost any information out of the SAP Business One system to whoever needs it. In order to use a form or other object for document delivery in APP, it needs to be registered. You can access the form registration menu option underneath Administration, Setup, APP Setup. Here you'll see a list of existing SAP Business One screens that are currently registered for use in SAP. But you can tell by the form object type that you can also register user-defined objects, user-defined tables, and SQL tables. If you upgrade to a newer version of SAP Business One that features new forms added to the system, and have not upgraded your APP to a version that includes that as the default in a form registration, you can easily register those new SAP forms here through the form registration screen. But as you can see, the majority of the existing SAP Business One screens have already been taken care of for you, including all marketing document screens. Next, we'll take a look at how to register a form for a user-defined object. In this case, I'm going to be registering the RMA maintenance form for our Return Material Authorization add-on. I'll enter the ID, TWBS RMA, a name, RMA Maintenance, pick the form object type, which in this case is going to be a user-defined object, and then I'll click on the table name field and enter the table name in the SAP database that stores the object header data. Once I've entered the table name, TWBS _RMA _ORMA, I can click the Add button on the form, and the form will be registered in APP. If I scroll down the list, I'll be able to see that my new RMA maintenance registered form is now available on the list and can be updated if the information needs to be changed. Next, we're going to take a look at an example of a report set up in APP with multiple advanced delivery definitions set up so that you can see how flexible and powerful this tool is in meeting your data delivery needs. The specific example we're looking at is a Crystal report delivered to your business partner customers documenting past due accounts receivables. It's tied to the business partner form as a report in APP, but we aren't going to be running the report off of the SAP form. We're going to be looking at more advanced delivery options. Now, when we're referring to a delivery in APP, we're talking about data that is either delivered by email or fax, not simply by printing. As you can see on the Delivery Preferences tab, there are options for emailing, and there's also an option down below for faxing a copy. What's going to drive an advanced delivery definition is a message that is driven off of a query. If I click on the Link To arrow next to the message ID, I'm going to open up the message in our message editor. The message assigned is driven off of the past due AR for advanced delivery query. You can see here that the message text can be edited in a Microsoft Word editor. So anything that you can do in Microsoft Word, you can do in formatting your email. One of the benefits of using the query is that you also have access to the fields from the query, which can be added to your message text through the use of tags. The Select Tag drop-down field will list all of the fields from your query. These can include fields from multiple tables joined together, fields from tables based upon user-defined objects, and user-defined fields from any existing SAP or user-defined table. Simply select the data tag that you'd like to insert into your message text and click either the Insert button to insert the tag in one time next to the cursor inside the message text, or click Copy to be able to paste it in multiple locations in your message text. We'll close the message editor and continue on to the Advanced Delivery Definitions tab so that we can examine the multiple options that are set up on this particular report for advanced delivery. There are 7 different advanced delivery definitions based upon the business partner customer code, the number of days late, the customer group, or the salesperson. We're going to select the top Past Due AR by Card code and select the Edit button on the right-hand side to look at the details of this advanced delivery definition. This definition is looking at the card code field of the query and looking for a value between 1 and ZZZZZZZ. If we compare that to the next one, which is Past Due by 0 to 30 days late, this definition is looking at the days late field and looking for a value between 0 and 30. As you can see, the drop-down for fields will list all of the available fields from the query. You can pick any field that you would like to add filters to. The conditions drop-down has values for is equal to, is not equal to, is greater than, is smaller than, is greater than or equal to, is smaller than or equal to, and between. You can also set up multiple fields and set up a relationship of and or between them. The Past Due by 31 to 60 days late definition is looking at the days late field, looking for a value between 31 and 60. The Past Due 61 to 90 days late definition, looking at the days late field for a value between 61 and 90. The Past Due 90 plus days late definition, looking for a days late value greater than 90. The Past Due by Customer Group Code definition, looking for a customer group code value between 1 and 999. And the Past Due by Salesperson Code definition, looking for a value of the SLP code field between 1 and 999. Each of the advanced delivery definitions can be executed from the main menu in SAP under APP Reports, Advanced Delivery Definitions menu options. Clicking on the Advanced Delivery Definition title will load the additional query filters screen. The definition details will be loaded to the screen and they can either be executed as is, or you can add additional query filters and save the configuration back to the database by clicking the Save As Config button in the bottom right corner of the screen. To execute the advanced delivery definition, simply click on the OK button. The results will be displayed on the screen. To remove any of the specific records from the delivery, all you have to do is uncheck the checkbox on the left-hand side from the rows that you would like to remove. The results displayed here are the past due accounts receivable for the salesperson code range that we executed, ordered by the days late value from highest to lowest. The buttons at the bottom of the screen allow us to either batch print these selected documents, batch deliver by email or fax these selected documents, or both batch print and deliver the selected documents. The range of values for the selected field can be narrowed for more specific data targeting. In this case, we're going to look for an SLP code of either 1 or 2. As you can see, the results are now filtered only for those 2 specific SLP codes. If I wanted to narrow the focus even farther, I could readjust the query filter to look for one specific salesperson code. The results would return only values with that specific salesperson code designated. An alternate way to create an advanced delivery definition is to use the Advanced Delivery menu option under APP Reports. Select the form from the Select Form drop-down, select the report that you want to associate the advanced delivery definition with, and select the fields, conditions, values, and relationships for the definition that you would like to create. In this case, I'm going to select the card name and expect a value between A and D. I'll click OK, and I can review the results to verify that the records returned conform to my new data filter on card name. I can click the Cancel button and return to the additional query filters screen and change my range from letters O to Q. And now I've got a list of all card name documents between O and Q. If I have the desired results and I'd like to save this advanced delivery definition, I can click the Save As Config button and enter a name for my new advanced delivery definition. You'll see that it's already assigned to the correct form and report. Click the Update button, click OK, close the Query Filter screen, reselect my report from the Reports list, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that the new advanced delivery definition for the letter P is now associated with the report. I can close the advanced delivery definition screen, click the Refresh APP menu, and once the menu is refreshed, I can scroll down in the advanced delivery definition section, and my new advanced delivery definition is listed on the menu. I'll load the advanced delivery definition, view the results set, and deliver my documents. Once I click the Deliver button, I'll see a status bar to alert me to the progress of my delivery. You can bulk deliver these documents in the background with APP without affecting your regular SAP performance. The next advanced delivery scenario that we're going to look at is going back to our RMA add-on application. As you can see here, I have the RMA maintenance screen up on form registration, and I've updated both the record key item UID field and database field, the business partner item UID and database field, and the contact person field on the database table. To obtain this information, you can go to the RMA maintenance screen available in your Sales AR menu, turn on the View System Information menu option, or hold the Control-Shift-I keys, and hover over the fields that you want to use so that you can obtain the table name and field name from the database from the status bar messages below the bottom of the screen. Now we'll go back to the APP Report Definition screen and examine an email definition set up for use with the RMA application with advanced delivery options on it. As you can see, it's set to email only on the General tab and linked to the RMA maintenance screen. If I click on the Delivery Preferences tab, you'll see that this is set to send an email through Outlook, and the message ID is RMA notification. If I click on the link to arrow next to the message ID value, it'll open the message in the editor window. The RMA notification message is set up from the RMA documents query and has been formatted to take advantage of several database fields, including name and document number, for data to be included into the email sent. If I close the message editor and go to the Advanced Delivery Definitions tab, you can see that there are two separate advanced delivery definitions set up for this email. I'll click on the RMA Notification Doc Range and click the Edit button. This advanced delivery definition is set to use a document numbered range for the value of the RMA maintenance document number to determine which RMA maintenance documents will have an email delivered. I'll return to the APP Reports menu, click on the Advanced Delivery Definitions, and click on the menu option for RMA Notification by Doc Range. I'll set a doc range value of 34 to 36 to deliver emails to the three RMA maintenance documents between those document numbers. I'll select the Process Based on Contact Preferences checkbox and click the OK button. I'll see the RMA maintenance emails to be delivered based upon the delivery definition and can deselect any that I do not want to deliver at this point. When I'm ready, I can go ahead and click the Process button, and the advanced delivery definition will be executed. Advanced document delivery can be used to deliver hundreds of documents in a single batch transaction with the click of a button. It allows you to process these document deliveries without impacting your normal SAP performance. Deliver the information you want to whomever you want, whenever you want, with the advanced document delivery features of the Third Wave Advanced Productivity Pack, helping you to manage your business better. For more information on Third Wave's Advanced Productivity Pack or any of the other applications that Third Wave offers, please visit our website at www.twbs.com. You can click the Contact Us link in the upper right corner of the page. Existing Third Wave partners and customers can obtain more information through the support portal by clicking the Customer Support link in the upper right corner of the page. Thank you for your time and attention.